Let me throw him, Angela. I'm gonna throw him.
Yeah.
I sometimes
On the ground.
and I just tried it with chocolate, but I'm sure
I'll get you some more. I'll get you another piece.
Oh, Mike. You're silly.
When I worked at MOI, Kristen, we used to make this for the kids all the time. And that's where I got the recipe from.
Be careful with that, Angela.
Wow. You think it's good?
Good, Angela.
Well, Angela, why are you sitting on the floor?
No.
Are you
Set the
talking
table.
about Ashland?
Why don't you come here?
Here, let's put this back on the table.
We're good, Tony.
Oh.
Very good. I appreciate that. Cream puffs.
He didn't cook it.
Yeah, maybe you're talking to the chef.
What is the
Oh.
Here, you can sit closer to Logan.
No, it's
Ashley.
flour, butter, water,
Oh,
and
wow.
3 eggs.
Wow.
You boil the water and butter until the butter's melted. Well, you heat it until it's boiling. Then you pour in all the flour. And you stir it until it forms a ball. And then you crack. You put an egg in one at a time and mix it in. Then you just spread it out on a pan and cook it for about bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes almost. And then you just put the pudding stuff on top. It's really easy.
Wow, it's very good.
All these eggs in front of you.
You don't like it?
You're silly. It's so good.
You want me to get you something else to drink? You got some 7-Up? Yeah, you got some.